Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take one photo of a paper plane in Neverness to Everness. First of all, open your map and come to this location in order to get the paper plane location. Now once you are here, jump and interact with these boxes in order to trigger the paper plane boss, and then just follow this paper plane in order to take picture of it. So I need to climb here and then wait for the perfect opportunity to get the picture of it. So I think it's time for taking picture. For that, open your in-game phone, then we need to select this camera option from bottom, then take a picture at the perfect moment. So let's take picture now, and then I also want to take another one just to be sure. So let's take picture now, and as you can see I have taken two pictures. Now I can just go into City Tycoon, and then if I go inside property, now as you can see the anomaly furniture has been unlocked, which was paper plane. So this was the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.